Good evening, everybody, and a warm welcome to you all for Stocko InCred Money webinars on trading. और आप सभी का वेलकम है. I can see a good enthusiastic traders out there. Ajit, Anand, Atul, Chetan, fine. Before we start the session, ये session आपके लिए, fine. This session is for you. So आप अपने आप को comfortable समझिए in terms of the learning, understanding, and then we are going to go for the execution part of it. So how many of you, if I ask you a question, kitne jan are using the very powerful charting and execution and trading tool, which is the Stocko TradingView software? How many of you are using it? Raise your hand or type me yes. Kitne jan use kar rahe actively for your trading? That's great. Tanu is using, Arasu is using, Afia is using, fine. Yes, I've got, that's great to see, fine. So I have lots of participants says they are using the platform, fine. Yeah, yes, मुझे काफी जन का confirmation मिल रहा about using the platform, and today is, see, as a trader, when I have a very powerful tool with me, I should know how to use it professionally for my professional day trading or swing trading. Today we'll talk specifically of day trading. कैसे इसको एक ऑर्गेनाइज वे में करूं? सबसे बड़ी गलती हम कहाँ पे करते हैं? जब मार्केट खुलता है उसके बाद हम तैयारी करते हैं, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. अभी एग्जाम हॉल में आप जाके एग्जाम की तैयारी नहीं कर सकते ना. एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग फ्रेंड्स? If tomorrow is going to for the exam, sitting in the exam hall, can you start preparation? Yes, no, no, fine. So I would encourage you to use more of the chat to type either yes or a no, fine, good. So सारी तैयारी हमको पहले से करनी पड़ती है, before the exam starts. And in market, you see, market में बहुत एक लंबा exams रहता है, and the exam starts from 9:15 in the morning till 3:30. Fine, paper is very lengthy. The more the lengthy the paper, the better the preparation has to be at our end. Yes or no? अगर पेपर इतना लेंदी आता है तो हमारी तैयारी भी जबरदस्त होनी चाहिए. Am I right or wrong, friends? तो आज हम वो दिशा में जा रहे हैं, उसकी तैयारी करेंगे. Today we are going to prepare for that trading sessions which last from 9:15 in the morning till 3:30. Yes, friends? No? Yeah. What about you, Atul? Yes. So the tech team, you can get in touch with Atul Umate. He is saying no audio, rest all our audio is fine. So how to start that? Fine. So that's what TradingView with Stocko TradingView. Let's explore, understand, and then go in for execution of the trade, which is live trading. See, whenever we are starting a platform, fine, तीन हिस्से में divided रहते हैं. The first part is always exploring the drawing tools, creating a trading system for the day trading, and अगर हमने एक system create किया, if we are trading a system, let's save it as a layout. Daily we don't have to plot those tools or indicators or the studies. And the very powerful features of Stocko InCred Money Trading View feature is, which I use very extensively for my trading, is trading with charts, in which you are free from putting the buy button or the sell button on your keyboard or with a cursor or with a mouse. That we can directly do from the trading charts, because you see, अगर हम traders हैं, तो our decision making tool is charts, जिसको हम price charts बोलते हैं. We call them price charts, right? So as a trader, most of the time, our effort is not to move away from the price charts. Let's stay on the price charts for our decision making, which we are always doing. Let's stay on our price charts for our analytical tools. Let's stay on the price charts for the execution also. How many of you agree that we should trade with the charts, or always as a trader should stay on the price charts? Give me either a yes or a no, friends. I would always recommend you to type Rajesh says yes, Atul says yes, John says yes. That's great participation. Rajan Vakli says yes. Sorry if I mispronounce your name. Pardon me because the messages are coming बहुत fast आ रहे हैं. And the more you participate, the better the webinar or the session is. Right? Participation is key for better learning and understanding. It's not a one way कि मैं यहाँ पे कोई प्रवचन कर रहा हूँ कि कोई कथा चल रही है. Fine. It's all about, see, you and me are both traders. Fine. So let's interact. Let's share our views. I am into a structured manner, so I have a presentation and the decision making part of it. Fine. मेरे आप में 19-20 का ही फर्क हो सकता है. शायद कोई चीज में आप 20 हो, मैं 19 हूँ. Fine. See, nobody is an expert in the market. If somebody says he's an expert in the market, everybody is a fresher. How many of you agree or not? Only those set of freshers survive for the next day. वही freshers बचते अगले दिन के लिए who have a proper plan, who have a proper charting tool like a Stocko TradingView terminal, who have a trading system in place. They survive for the next day. How many of you agree? We are all freshers when market opens at 9:50. We survive for the next day with a learning. Yeah, John says yes. Bhumika gives me thumbs up. That's great. Rashid says yes. Mr. Roy. Yeah, that's all. It's great to see we are a same group. Fine. Everybody's having an interaction in which हमारे सारे सबकी like the frequency on the same level. तो फिर सेशन में काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहता है. सेशन में काफी मजा आता है और लर्निंग का एक अलग ही experience रहता है. Am I right or wrong, friends? Before I officially launch? Yes. Rati says yes. That's fantastic. Sanjeev, absolutely. एक चीज आप दिमाग में डाल लो. Everybody is a fresher in the market from 9:15 to 3:30. Fine. Those freshers survive for the next day who have a plan, and plan. Trading is all about planning. You prepare a plan and you trade the plan which you have prepared. Trading planning के बारे में आपको एक ट्रेडिंग प्लान बनाना है बेस्ड ऑन योर ड्राइंग टूल्स, बेस्ड ऑन योर सिस्टम, ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम, बेस्ड ऑन योर टाइम फ्रेम. एंड आपको रोज जाके वही प्लान ट्रेड करना मार्केट में. कुछ भी ट्रपीज आर्टिस्ट की तरह नहीं करना. लेट एवरीथिंग बी स्ट्रक्चर्ड, एवरीथिंग बी रैशनल. देयर शुड बी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट इन प्लेस and the decision making should be very, very clear. Right? So let's go first. Let's explore the drawing tools. Before I go, how many of you are actively using drawing tools in Stocko, InCred, Money, TradingView? Give me yes or a no. Either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you give me thumbs up, that means मैं समझूंगा आप सब use कर रहे हो. So I said Sanjeev says yes. John, Mr. Roy, I want more participation. I got 2 thumbs down also. Why you are not using it? One of the reason could be you didn't knew it. Am I right or wrong? Few participants did give me a thumbs down also. So today that problem will get solved because we are going to do extensively. Yeah, Varun. Okay, Varun is not using. I guess Varun from tomorrow you'll have to start using it because fine. That will ensure good trades, great understanding. Yeah, Amrit Raj says he uses. That's fantastic. No, बहुत जन use कर रहे हैं. Fine. And this is not going to be a one-off webinar. We'll have a series of webinars and we will what we call a continuous learning. Say, एक कहावत है, you sharpen your saw. Fine. So all we are doing through this webinars is sharpening the saw for a better trade outcome. So in drawing tools, as a trader, so I'm mixing Hindi and English, fine. You need to have a set of tools which you always are there in front of your screen. उसको आप खोजने मत जाओ मार्केट खुलने के बाद. Rahul Raj says no. Start using it, sir. I'll make it very simple, and from tomorrow itself you should start using it. Fine. And there are various tools which in terms of traders which they want on a touch line. When I say touch line, is the screen which is there in front of you. उसे हम touch line कहते हैं. बार बार आप जाके खोजो मत. When market is trading live, you don't search for your decision making tools. It should be there in front of you. वो आपके सामने होने चाहिए. Right? So There we have in terms of line tools, channels, Fibonacci retracement, projection, measure, markings. Text and notes are optional. If you want, you keep it or you avoid it. So from the line tools, which are the tools we should actively use? The first one is a trend line, and the second one in the line tool is a parallel channel. So these two tools जिसको हम drawing tools के category में आते हैं, और सर इसको हल्के में मत लो drawing tools में. Don't take drawing tools lightly. Fine. Why? Because आप सबको पता है एक कहावत है. There is a saying in the Wall Street. Wall Street में कहावत है, a kid with a ruler can make a million. Anybody has heard of this line? I repeat, Wall Street में कहावत है, a kid with a ruler can make a million. एक बच्चा जिसके हाथ में स्केल है वो लाखों कमा सकता है. How many of you have heard about this? Give me a yes or a no. Anybody? What about you, Atul? Yes. So the beauty of drawing tools is its simplicity. Like the way we used to do geometry as in schools, these are nothing but geometry. It's just lines. Fine. So the two tools which I always want in the drawing tool part are these two, which is a line tool and a parallel channel. And what is the interpretation? That also I'll explain, because these sessions, ye sare jo sessions is for traders and buy traders. Okay. So everything will have a practical application of whatever we are doing. So I go to my Stocko, and how to open this everybody should be knowing. आपको अपने platform पे जाना है after login. So I have not logged in to save the time because I have a 60 minutes time window. After logging into your platform, you'll get a screen. So once you get a screen, आपके सामने जब screen आए तो आप top bar में देखिए, there is written called Stocko dashboard, orders, portfolio, funds, screeners, IPO. After IPO, can you see you have a trading view? The Stocko trading view, a very, very powerful platform. Give me a yes if it's visible to you all. Yeah. Bowman says yes, Tanu says yes. All you have to do is just click and it opens a window for very, very powerful analytical tools which is available to you. I just click on it and it opens. Fine. So I'll close the earlier one. And मेरा जो setting है करके रखा, it's as good as my first time I'm logging on to the platform. कुछ भी predefined नहीं है. Let the experience be same for you and me. So this comes the section of tools. If you go here, can you see on the top there are written lines? Give me yes or a no. This comes under the line tools. Atul says yes. So first thing, as a trader, आपको अपने सारे line tools you need to have it on your touch line. Touch line का मतलब है in front of the screen. Every time I don't have to go here and there and then bring it. Okay. So how to do this? There is a in our Stocko trading view, we have an option called setting it as a favorite. आप अपना mouse यहाँ पे ले आओ, hover करो. See on the right hand side, you have this star. Just click on this star. Everybody getting it? Give me a yes. Yes. If I click on this star, what happens? Can you see? My favorite tools have now got added into the bottom. Now every time I don't have to go there and plot it. Wasn't that so easy? Yes, I'm getting lots of thumbs up. That means you liked it. And be there, we'll have much more. And the second tool which I want to use it is horizontal line. If you want to mark your support levels, resistance levels, bring it on a touch line. ये आप अपने touch line पे लेके आ जाओ. Side में मत पड़ा रहने दो. In what we call the toolbar, it has of no use. So now I click on horizontal line and it got saved. Second tool I saved. Fine. The third one, for marking trends, I can also bring in my array. कोई restrictions नहीं है. Then you can bring in the parallel channel. See, as I said, these are going to be the ongoing webinars. We are not going to rush. We'll not cover everything in one go. जितना अच्छी तरीके से हो सकता, what we can understand, I would rather say what we can explore, understand, and implement is only thing we'll have in a particular session. Am I right? That's how we'll keep the flow of this webinar. सब कुछ एक में crumple नहीं करना है. We are not going to do everything at one go. Is the process right, friends, of learning? Give me a yes or a no, either ha ya na. That's great. Atul says yes. What about other participants? Yeah. Baumin says yes. Ramesh says yes. Fine. And pardon me अगर मेरा थोड़ा face ऊपर चला जा रहा है तो because I'm using a dual screen in which to watch your charts. Hi John, thanks. I have to look up to see the chat window. Fine. And I put the parallel channel. So in the line tools, I need all the 4 tools. Got it, everybody? Now, rest of the time, never ever I'll have to go here and find it. I have saved it as a favorite. So the 4 tools which every Stocko, InCred, Money, TradingView terminal if you are using, and if you are a trader out there, first आपके touch line में 4 tools होने चाहिए, which is trend line, horizontal line, ray, and channel. Fine. Now, when I started the session, did I say a kahavat hai that on a Wall Street, a kid with a ruler can make a million? If anybody can remember, give me a yes or a no. Yes. Anand says yes. Ramesh says yes. Fine. Tanu says yes. It's as simple as that. कभी भी एक uptrend दिख रहा हो ना, कोई भी low या high पे, fine. All I go is take the line, take the low, stretch it जैसे हम lines बनाते थे geometry में till here, और एक low connect करो, और एक low connect करो, and extend it, which is extend right. Fine. This is what we call trend line. Trend line का मतलब होता है the trend is up till it's holding the trend line. So ये if this price was holding above this trend line, the trend was up. The moment it breaks the low, so now I'll go to another tool which is part of highlighting, which is what we call eclipse. Okay. So इसको भी मैं अपने touch line पे ले आता हूँ. Okay. Now it has come. Fine. So now you see such a simple tool which most of us ignore is this trend line. What happened over here? Did it break the trend line? Yes or no? Nifty. Everybody? Did it break the trend line support? Nifty? Yes. Now, there is another saying, or a kahavat. The trend is your friend till it bends at the very end. And the end is the break of the trend line. Fine. The moment the trend line breaks, that uptrend which was there, till that is over. So till here the trend was up. The moment it broke this low, the trend changed to down. Now, if I want to show, I have more tools available to me in context of line tools. I can bring in arrow. So what happened now? Did the trend change to down and there was a strong decline? Yes or no, friends? Yes. So कोई दिक्कत आई इसमें? Wasn't this such a simple tool for you to say ये जो तेजी non-stop चल रही थी वो कहाँ खत्म होगी? Remember one thing. The trend is your friend till it bends at the very end. Okay? Clear? This is how a simple we use a line tool. This is when the trend was up. Fine. The second way you can use it is जब एक गिरावट चल रही है. Fine. This is a what we call a rising trend line. The same way में एक falling trend line भी होती है. आपको highs connect करने और extend कर दो. That's it. So now what happens? The moment it breaks on the upside, भाव कहाँ गया? ऊपर गया क्या नीचे गया? Where did price go? On the upside or on the downside? I want answers, friends. नहीं तो, as I said, it's interactive traders session. It's not a pravachan. Fine. Yes. Good. See, we have more than approximately close to 100 participants. Sanjeev says yes. Wasn't this such a simple thing to mark where the reversals कहाँ पे आएंगे, कैसे आएंगे? So that's how the beauty of trend line is. That's why Wall Street में एक saying है, the kid with the ruler can make a million. Fine. So this is how we use a trend line. Okay. Apart from this trend line, another tool which we have in context of line tool is what we call a channel. Fine. So ये channel आ गया. चैनल कब हम यूज करते हैं? लेट्स से कोई भी एक स्टॉक ना ऊपर जा रहा ना गिर रहा, एक फिक्स रेंज में, इट इज व्हाट वी कॉल कॉइलिंग. एक कॉइलिंग प्राइस एक्शन दिखता है उसमें. फाइन फ्रेंड्स, गिव मी अ मिनट, आई जस्ट रेज माय कैमरा. यस, ओके, या, I think now it's more visible. Okay, so let's go to the price chart of, let's say, HAL. Fine. Now HAL was moving in this channel. Fine. भाव ऊपर जा रहा था, prices were going up. Fine. So all you have to do is, once you have a sequence of, एक बार आपको ये sequence दिख गया, which is higher lows and higher highs, जो कि ट्रेंड की भाषा में हम बोलते हैं, it's an uptrend. Fine. Am I right or wrong, friends? Yes. So then all you have to do is take help of the powerful tools which you have in the platform called channel. कुछ नहीं करना आपको. Take a low, आपको अपना माउस प्रेस करना, कर्सर, take this high, extend it. So this is what we call a rising channel. Fine. Rising channel का मतलब है, the moment it breaks the channel, prices will now go on the downside. Rising channel अगर ब्रेक करता है तो भाव नीचे जाता है. Was it that tough to do, friends? सिर्फ दो लॉ ज्वाइन करके प्लॉट कर देना चैनल. Am I right or wrong? Was it tough? Tanu, no. So how many of you will start implementing this from tomorrow and bring this, both the tools on the touch line which I have shown you? Give me a yes or a no. How many of you will do it? Tanu, Sevalraj, Rajesh, Pankaj, yes. John, that's great. Fantastic to know. Fine. This is called a rising channel. The moment it breaks, prices goes down. Rising channel signifies, find the trend is up till it's not bending. The moment it bends, वो नीचे जाता है. Same way में you have a falling channel. Right? Falling channel का मतलब है, this was rising, this is falling. भाव जब नीचे आता है, fine, at some point there is a reversal. So हम reversal का point pick नहीं करते हैं. We will mark the reversal based on channel. So कोई भी high से high match करना आपको and parallelly extend करना. So once you start using it, you will know it. It's so simple. मैं just stretch कर रहा हूँ. I am doing nothing, friends. I am just stretching it, and that's my channel. Now यहाँ पे rising channels are bearish till it's not breached. Falling channel are bullish. The moment it broke here, prices went down. यहाँ पे अगर rising falling channel का breakout आता है, तो what will happen? Will prices go up or prices go down? Give me a, let me see what your understanding is. No thumbs up now. Falling channel breakout is bullish or bearish? Thumbs up बहुत simple है देना sir. Now you'll have to start answer. Yeah, you can type in the chat window. Falling channel breakouts are bullish or bearish? Ramesh. Now no thumbs up. I want you to type. I repeat, falling channels are bullish or bearish? Fine. That's great. So now the second tool is, let me label it. इसको हम बोलते हैं falling channel. And falling channel are bullish. Yeah, pardon me for the spelling error. I'll just complete it. So falling channel are bullish. Bullish when? Only once you get a breakout. Breakout matlab it crosses the channel high. Okay. Such a simple tool gives you such a great trades. And our InCred Money, the webinars are all about, let's trade in a very, very simple manner. Let's not complicate things. Fine. ऐसे life में काफी complications है. So this is what we call a bullish breakout, fine. And a rising channel, if it breaks on the downside, I'll write breakout on the downside, right? So if a rising channel breaks, will it be bullish or bearish? Bearish, yes. Thumbs down is bearish, thumbs up is bearish. So was this friend difficult? You tell me now. क्या ये डिफिकल्ट था? दो लाइन टूल के अभी अगर हम चैनल बनाते तो मुझे और कोई आई नेवर नीडेड एनी एनालिटिकल टूल्स to tell me that the market would go down, let's say on HL. Am I right or wrong, friends? Is it very, very clearly visible to you? Yeah, I'm getting thumbs up from majority of the participants. That's it. As simple as this. Let's take one more example. BEL. Fine. BEL also, if you see, दो channels, fine. And this was a rising channel. Once it broke on the downside, एक बार नीचे टूट रहा, then we saw a decline in price. Okay. Same way, this is a falling channel. The moment it break, we saw a rise in price. Now, channeling techniques are very, very important अगर आप trader हो तो. जी सबसे पहला आप indicator oscillator में मत जाओ. Try to get your decision making in a simple manner. After that, we go there, which is the second step as a confirmatory note. How many of you agree? Let's keep things simple. ये concept है KISS का. Have you heard about this concept of KISS? KISS? Anybody? Silveraj says yes, fine. So the concept of KISS says that keep it simple, silly. Fine. Let's not make things complicated. So our learning, our understanding will based on that principle. So now I remove it. So we have done the line study. Okay. So we have got this on a touch line. ये अभी आपके कभी भी जाएगा नहीं, ये यहीं पे रहेगा. आपको बार बार you don't have to go here and plot things. In my platform, which is the TradingView by Stocko InCred Money, gives me this facility. Right. Now, next I go to retracement. Another tool which as a trader you want is Fibonacci retracement. So go to the second item over here and fine. Go to retracement. Again, to save it as a favorite, there is a star. Just click on the star and it will add to favorite. Okay. So simple. So what happened? Now this came over here. Fine. Okay. Am I right? Retrace. Now I don't have to go there. For example, retracement works both ways, friends. So if I go to the earlier chart which we opened, which is Hindustan Aeronauticals, fine. When there is a bounce or a pullback, okay. Let's say from here to here, till how high it will go? It will retrace to, let's say 50 to 62% level before it comes down. So generally, अगर मंदी का दौर है और उसमें एक पुलबैक आता है, तो वो कहाँ तक जाता है? 50 to 62% retracement. Is this range clear, everybody? Give me a yes or a no. So this is how you use a Fibonacci retracement study. मान लीजिए अगर अभी सब जगह गिरावट का दौर चल रहा है, फाइन. अगर मैं रिट्रेसमेंट लेता हूं, कहां तक ये आ सकता है, फाइन. तो गिरावट में in a decline or in a bearish conditions, fine, where a price is likely to go before it sees a reversal, or as a trader till where I can anticipate, then you do a Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high. आपको जो retracement करना है वो low से high का करना है. Take the low and the high, fine. So can you see now, Hindustan Aeronauticals, still I don't see a trend reversals. The retracement levels are 50% is 4087, 62% is 3838. Is it clear, everybody, how to plot, use and save the Fibonacci retracement tool as a favorite? Atul, yes. Says yes. Afia says yes. Ramesh says yes. Varun, not clear? I got a thumbs down also from Mr. Varun Shah. Okay, fine. So Fibonacci retracement is, if I take from the low to the high, it points to me that the decline which started are likely to come down 50 se 62%, or when there is a pullback going on in the market, it gets, then you have to mark the retracements, fine, from high to low to high, which is from this low to this high. Got it? So that's how we use Fibonacci retracement. And in Fibonacci retracement, when there are pullbacks, okay, so if I take, when bounce आता है, counter trend rally आती है, over there the 50 to 62% retracement levels act as a strong resistance, remember that. And 62 ko we call it as a golden ratio. Everybody clear how to mark a resistance based on retracement? Which are the two levels, friends? 50% के आसपास 50 to 62 में एक पुल बैक और बाउंस खत्म हो जाता है. Give me a yes if all have got it, or thumbs down if you want a further explanation. Okay, Pankaj says yes. Fine. उसी तरह let's go to right now, let's say Nifty or Bank Nifty and check the retracement. Fine. This is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is coming down. Fine. अगर हम previous देखते हैं retracement में, if we see the previous retracement, friends, what happens? It took this low and this high, fine. So where did prices retrace? Somewhere here. वो आपको एक range या level दिखा देता है. Okay. Everybody clear? Can we move to the next study? Is retracement clear? Give me yes or a no. Rajesh says yes. Mr. Roy, Rajan, okay. Yeah, I got yes from all. So these were my, I'll just go through the presentation or your notes which we have prepared. So that was a trend line, a channel, a Fibonacci retracement when there is an uptrend or when there is a downtrend, fine. Then the other tool which you use to mark support or resistance or demand levels or supply levels is what we call band study, fine. So now I'll go over here. You need to save it as a favorite. So go on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth column. यहाँ पे can you see mark it as a this thing, okay? So this means when prices are going up or going down, you can clearly mark your resistance level or supply levels or your support levels, fine. So today Bank Nifty declined where? Till the support band. Is it clear how to mark the levels? Give me a yes or a no, friends. Atul says yes. So for drawing tools part today, we are keeping it brief, and every trader from tomorrow, friends, please don't go over here and try to find things when market is trading live. That's not the right way to do things. So now, will you all be able to save this? सब आप सब इसको favorite save करके touchline पे ला सकोगे? Stocko, InCred Money, TradingView platform पे give me a yes. All you have to do is click on favorite, it will come here. So every time I don't have to go here, right? So that was the first part of the session. Okay. Second May, since everybody has taken an effort to come, let's now discuss one strategy which is there for day trading. So how many of you interested to learn a day trading strategy, whether it's for high frequency trading, jobbing, scalping, or anything? Wow, I'm getting so much thumbs up. That's fantastic. Fine. Okay. So now let's learn. See, why I did this drawing tools is once we need it, From next session onwards, I'm not going to touch upon the drawing tools. Fine. We will go into the decision making part or the analytics. Okay. So let's go now. Fine. And बिफोर एक बार ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम सेटअप करने से पहले सेटिंग अप अ ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम में रूल्स डिफाइन करने पड़ते हैं. वी हैव टू डिफाइन रूल्स. ये रूल्स क्या होते हैं? See, every trading system have four elements, friends. Remember that. What we call SETS, sets, which is stop loss, E is for entry, T is for target, and another S is for size, what we call position size. So in every system which you use, आपको चार elements चाहिए. Entry, which is for long or short, buy or sell, stop loss for risk management, target for exiting, and size, which is quantity or lot size which you will buy, which is based on the concept of position size, which we are going to do in future webinars. Okay. And अगर हम डे ट्रेडिंग करते हैं ना, तो आपको डे ट्रेडिंग डिफाइन करना. देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज सिंगुलर डे ट्रेडिंग. फाइन. Within day trading, there are various styles of day trading. One is called scalping, जिसको हम high frequency trading कहते हैं, and which we do on basis of 1 to 2 minutes time frame. Then you have active day trading. When I say active day trading, which means in a day or दिन में आप 3 से 4 trade ले सकते हो. Possibly I would always suggest in indices. Okay. Then you have moderate day trading in which you trade on a 15 minutes time frame. आप 15 minute time frame पे trade करते हो. Pardon me. And here you can get 1 to 2 trades in a day. Now, in Stocko TradingView, we have this facility, or it gives us how to save this time frame as a favorite. Every time we don't have to go through. So the first thing as a day trader you have to do is set your time frames as favorite. Am I right? Randomly don't click it. So now I'm saving it as 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Are you all interested to see how to save? Create a template out of there and save it as a layout. If you say yes, I'll do it accordingly. That's great. Great to see after market sessions in a volatile day, participation is good and everybody is eager to learn. Fine. I'm learning. I'm not explaining you things, friends. As I said, I'm also fresher. Everybody is a fresher in the markets from 9:15 to 3:30. Okay. So now let's go and save my 3 time frames as a favorite. So how to do that? I again go to my platform, which is the TradingView terminal at Stocko InCred Money platform. Can you see over here, जहाँ पे मेरा cursor है, fine. Can you see 2 minutes? I'll put a favorite on 2. I'll put a favorite on 5 minutes. And I'll put a favorite on 15 minutes. So what I have done is, इसको हम traders touchline बोलते हैं. जो traders का terminal है ना, the touchline means I exactly know all the tools, all the decision making, all the analytics which I want in my decision making should be there in front of me. That's why we call it as a touchline. Fine. So I've saved this 3 as a favorite. And can you see now they have got neatly arranged over here. Everybody give me a yes if you can see it. All you have to do is once. आपको सिर्फ एक बार करना है. बार बार नहीं करना है. Fine. You do it once and leave it. So now on my touchline as a day trader, I have 3 time frames. 2 minutes is for high frequency trading. This comes scalping bhi bolte hain. 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Fine. Now, once I have freezed this time frame, then the 2 active tools which I have to use as a trader is, and which trust me, they are very powerful features on Stocko InCred Trading View platform. The first one is what we call is indicator template. आपको सबको mastery हासिल करनी है इसमें. और second one is called layouts. Fine. Now, earlier I showed you as a day trader, I have 3, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. So as a day trader, how many charts should be there in front of me? You can do all the three or you can do one. Yeah. So how many charts should I select from layout? I would like if somebody answers me, then I'll get it right. We are on the right track. I'll wait for somebody to answer it. Nobody? Okay. वापस से स्लाइड पे जाते हैं. टाइम फ्रेम्स कितने यहाँ पे? How many time frames are there? How many time frames are there? 2, 5 and 15. So how many charts should be there in front of you as an active day trader? 1, 3, 5 or 15? How many charts? Yeah, I'll wait. I have all the time. मेरे पास काफी time है. जब तक आप answer नहीं करोगे, I'm going to wait. Fine. Yes, there are 3 charts. So how to arrange that? Fine. Are you getting my audio loud and clear, everybody? Okay. So how to arrange 3 charts? I go to what we call layout. Select the layout. Fine. In select the layout, I select 3 time frames. Got it? So now can you see at a click of a mouse, kitna simple tha? Wasn't it simple? All I selected is from the layout, tiling option of 1, 2, 3 charts, and all it came in front of me. Yeah, Atul says yes. What about other participants? Yes. So after I have got it, fine. I have to set. मुझे हर एक का time frame set करना है. Which means let the charts be same. I will change the time frame. वो कैसे करना आपको? All you go is symbol same रखना है. तो मुझे 3 बार निफ्टी या कोई भी स्टॉक अगर मैं ट्रेड कर रहा हूं तो आई डोंट हैव टू प्रेस इट 3 टाइम्स. फाइन. On a single click, all the charts will align to the same stock or the same indices or whichever instruments I have decided to trade, whether it's commodities, currencies, or anything. So, uske liye you have to put a check on symbol. Interval will keep it different. We don't want crosshair and this. So, symbol should be on. Fine. So, once I have on the symbol, now this I will keep it as 2 minutes. So ये मेरा high frequency trading या scalping time frame है. Got it, everybody? I just click on this window and I save it as 5 minutes. मैं इसको 5 मिनट करता हूँ. तो ये मेरा एक्टिव डे ट्रेडिंग है. एक्टिव डे ट्रेडिंग का मतलब वो होता है कि दिन में 4 से 5 ट्रेड आइदर एट द मनी ऑप्शंस के या फ्यूचर्स के आई कैन टेक. The third one is my 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes is a bigger time frame in which I can get maximum 1 trade in a day. So now can you clearly see Bank Nifty is aligned on all the 3 time frames together? Give me a yes or a no. The first one is 2 minutes. If I click on the second window, it's 5 minutes. If I click on the third window, it's 15 minutes. I'll wait for either your yes or wasn't it so simple? And if it was simple, yeah, I got lots of thumbs up. That's fantastic to know, friends, right? Were you using it this way, friends? Or I would say friends and fellow traders out there, आप use कर रहे थे ऐसे? If yes, thumbs up. If no, thumbs down. Nobody was using it. So will, oh, everybody's giving me thumbs down. आपको अभी से ऐसे use करना है. Fine. Now, once I set my time frame, the second thing is, now you see beauty. अभी निफ्टी के बाद मैं यहाँ पे ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ. Let's say मुझे निफ्टी ट्रेड करना है. Shiva Kumar, you gave a big smiley. Any particular reason about this? It's a not using it? Okay, so simple. Use it. Fine. So अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? मेरे मार्केट वॉच में मैं निफ्टी पे डबल क्लिक कर रहा हूँ. Did you notice one thing? All the charts changed to Nifty. अभी तक आप क्या कर रहे थे? One by one you used to change the stock and lose the trading opportunities which this volatility is giving us day in and day out. Yes or no, friends? Again, I'll change this chart. Let's say to Reliance. उसमें क्या होगा? Because I have set the setting of stock, now all the 3 charts changes to Reliance. Wasn't this a great feature, friend? Give me a yes or a no. This is called aligning the keeping the time frame separate, aligning the underlying instrument. It is very important as a trader, right? Yeah, I'm getting lots of yes. That makes me also happy for doing this session for the first time and seeing your participations. Fine. Amrut Raj says, "Oh, you gave a clap. That's fantastic, Amrut Raj. Fine. You made my day. Nifty did not. Fine. Now, after I have set up my screen, now I have to set up my system. Fine. Now, the first system which we'll understand today is called a multiple moving average based trading system, in which, see, time frame we have done and tiling we have done. Fine. See, in tiling itself will take us, it's an extensive module within the Stocko InCred money trading view terminal. If I have to explain you all the tiling features, मुझे minimum 1 घंटा चाहिए, right? So today, whatever we have done is the purpose of let's start, understand, and from tomorrow I can implement the same in my trading. So won't you able to implement what we have learned tomorrow? Yes or no, friends? आज जो हमने I wouldn't say I have taught you, what I have explored today. Will you able to implement in your trading from tomorrow, friends? Yes, I got lots of thumbs up. That's encouraging. Chalu karo, sir. Volatility is great to make money. Fine. Now, this is how we set up our trading system. So, the first system which we are going to learn today is called a multiple moving average trading system, जिसको हम change of sequence बोलते हैं. Change of sequence to from sellers to buyers and buyers to sellers. It's a very, very powerful system for active day traders, in which we get a buy signal on a moving average positive crossover. A positive crossover means when the smaller averages cuts the large. I'll show you it practically. And a sell signal is what we call moving average negative crossover. तो नेगेटिव क्रॉसओवर का मतलब होता है फ्रेंड्स के स्मॉलर averages cuts the bigger average from below. I'll just give you a brief demo. You should always, as a trader, know what is a positive crossover and negative crossover. Fine. अभी मैं दो एवरेज प्लॉट कर रहा हूँ, रैंड एनी एवरेज, जस्ट टू शो यू. फाइन. एक को मैं रैंडमली 10 रखता हूँ. Second one, I'll put it at 20 and I'll change the color. I'll change the color to this one. Fine. Okay. So this is what we call negative crossover. मैं zoom करता हूँ. See, when the smaller averages cut the bigger from down, this is called a buy signal. And similarly, over here is 10 and 20. When the 10 cuts the 20 from down, it's a sell signal. Everybody got it? What is a buy signal and a sell signal? Give me a yes or a no. And it's visually you can see it. Yeah, I'm getting lots of thumbs up. So you all have got it. Fine. So our system is, we have included a sequence into it. So now I remove it. Now, कभी भी आपका ऐसा चार्ट ब्लो अप हो जाए, अगेन टू मेक श्योर इट गोज बैक इन द राइट प्लेस where it was, all you have to do is, can you see over here restore charts? Are you able to see this restore charts, friends? Give me a yes. Yes, just click on restore chart. मेरा screen set हो गया. Getting my point? Clear, everybody? Yes. So now I'm setting that system in which I'm going to use a set of 5 averages. This is the system which we are understanding. And the averages are the technical study in this. See, every system will have a study. So the technical study in this system will be exponential moving averages. और जो set of averages हम use कर रहे हैं वो है 3, 5, 8, 13 और 20. Again I repeat, excuse me, I'll have a sip of water. And the set of averages, traders, we are going to use today is 3, 5, 8, 13, and 20. Okay. And based on this, buy and sell signals are generated. Now, A very powerful feature in a Stocko InCred Money Trading View platform is this. When I say this, it is called indicator templates. How many of you were were aware of indicator templates? Raise your hand. कितने जन को पता था indicator template सेव कर सकते हैं? Only one. Tanu says no. Atul says no. Fine. You create your study once and save it as an indicator template. So to apply this study, what we will do is we will go to in our platform, which is Stocko InCred Money Trading View platform. It's, trust me, it's a powerful powerhouse out there in terms of analytics. I've never ever seen such things. Fine. It is called multiple moving average system. Okay. Got it, everybody? Can you see moving average multiple? Just save it as a favorite. Mil gaya? Yes. So I click on it. Now, only once, this is the setting of default. Somebody else might be using it, or it's not for day trading, it's for swing or positional. Now we have to customize it as per our trading style, which is day trading. So all I do is the first one, I change it to 3. Now you tell me what is the second average we discussed. देखते हैं कितनी की memory sharp है. Friends, we discussed just now. Let's see how many of you have sharp memories. Which is the second average we discussed? कौन सी average हमने discuss की थी जो second वाली है? Please type it. Nobody? All forgot? 3, 5. Third column में आपको जो average डालनी है is 3, 5, 8, 13 and 20. Column khali nahi rakh sakte, so we add one more 20. And if you see in styles, you have to change the color. What is easily visible to you? Fine. आप color coding कर सकते हो. Okay. You have a visibility option. So I would suggest inputs में we create a trading system. If anybody wants, take the screenshot. These sessions are for you. From before we end this session, you should have this system with you. Okay. So the inputs are multiple moving average in which you put the inputs as 3, 5, 8, 13 and 20. Now, default, पहले कुछ और default था. Now we are setting it as a default for my trading. Am I right? So go over here at the bottom, click on save to default. Everybody able to say this? Save on default. सबको दिख रहा है? Are you all able to see save on default? Give me a yes. So yes. So now I save as default. So abhi kya kiya? I have created a personalized trading system for myself by trading it as a default. I click on it. Fine. Now, I need to replicate the same on the other two charts. Yes or no? So again, I said in the Stocko InCred Money Trading View terminal or platform, or I would call it as a powerhouse for traders. Again, you don't have to plot it. बार बार आपको plot नहीं करना. Would you like to know how to do it in a single click? Give me yes or a no. See, these sessions are for you. If you say yes, I'll do it right now. It's so simple. Right click, fine. And can you see over here, लिख के आ रहा है, apply this indicator to entire layout. Can you all see this? Apply this indicator to entire layout. Atul, Satat, Mr. Roy, Tanu, Gokula. Yes. All I have to click in here. So what happened? Did you see? In 1 second or a click of a mouse, it replicated my trading system across all my time frame. Got it, friends? Yes or a no? Fine. So if I am doing a high frequency trading, fine, I'll just take the last hour. Was this a sell signal or a buy signal? Buy is thumbs up, sell is thumbs down. What is a buy signal or a sell signal? कौन सा signal था sir? Oh ma'am. it was a sell signal. Fine. So did price go down? Yes or no? Okay. So now over here, when the pullback happened, was it a buy signal or a sell signal? You tell me. आपने crossover देखा अभी? It was a buy signal. Fine. This was on a 5 minutes. Did you, if I'm using 2 minutes, sorry, I'll set it, yeah, 2 minutes. I'm using 2 minutes for my high frequency trading, जिसको हम आज की तारीख में scalpers terminal भी बोलते हैं. So in our terminal, we can create our own scalpers terminal. Got it now? Clear everybody? Okay. So this is now my 5 minutes. 5 minutes में when the bounce started from this bottom, which was around 11:50 पे, did you get a buy signal on the multiple moving average trading system, which is 3, 5, 8, 13, and 20 exponential moving average? Give me a yes or a no. Did you get a buy signal over here? Yeah, all are saying yes. So what is a buy? Prices above the averages and all averages crossing each other. So that means a simple system of ours. If I want measuring tools, I can use a price range. Right? So the moment a buy signal came, it gave close to how much? A good amount of move out there. Fine. So we are just seeing Reliance. Fine. Now I want to change this to Nifty. I just click on Nifty, all the 3 time frames will be clear to me. Got it now? Okay. So this is my 2 minutes, which is my scalper terminal. This is my 5 minutes for day trading. Did it pick up today's bounce? Let's explore. I got a crossover over here, which is a bullish crossover. Fine. And what happened? Did price rally? And if it rallied, a simple tool, it rallied how much? Close to 250 points. Is it good, bad, or ugly system, friends? Now tell me. Atul says, Amit says good. Yeah. What about others? We can't have such a low इतने कम participation में मजा ही नहीं आएगा friends. ये session, that's brilliant. Amit, yes. What about others? Let me now start taking the names. See, मैं ऊपर देखूंगा तो things will get a bit this thing. So what about you, Ajit? You're not participating. Amir, Kundan Kumar, Mithilesh, fine. What about Raja, Rajan? Yes. As I said, these sessions are for you, friends. Let's participate. Okay. Let's participate as actively as possible. So this is a very, very simple system in which we can use it. So this is now a 15 minutes. On a 15 minutes time frame, this is where market opened today, which is on 21st. Fine. So market opened itself in a sell mode. So in a 15 minutes, there was no sell buy signals. Getting it? Now, when we do next session, the same system or other system, we will take into a advanced manner. When I say advanced, the moment we have 3 time frames, it come under the technical study or the system analysis of what we call MTF, which is multiple time frame analysis. How many of you have heard about multiple time frame analysis? कितने जन ने सुना है sir or ma'am multiple time frame के बारे में? Give me a yes or a no. Atul says yes. Rajiv yes. I have no also. Fine. So this is what we have is multiple time frame based on single system. The system underlying system is a multiple moving average, inputs 3, 5, 8, 13, and 20, but time frames are different. Okay. So for today, you can take, this is the note, fine. The takeaway, you can start. Will you able to plot this and save this? Now, so once I have plotted it, now I go over here. I click on save indicator template. Now I type here MMA, which is multiple moving average, which you have created, personalized it, fine, and click on save. Now let's say I can you see it got saved. Now once you switch off your terminals, right? Let's say I remove everything. I don't have anything. So Monday, will you again have to do all the hard work of plotting it? Yes or no, friends? Generally you do it this way. हम लोग ऐसे ही करते. रोज सवेरे आके यहाँ से ये टूल ड्रॉ कर दे वहां से. प्लीज डोंट डू इट. बी प्रिपेयर्ड द मोमेंट मार्केट ओपन्स. मार्केट खुलते ही आपका प्रिपरेशन कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. So the right now what we use is just our webinar will end in few minutes. You're not going to shut down your computers, okay? You have to put in the hard work. You have to create the system and save it. So now you see I had save it under indicator template. It was by the name of multiple moving average. I just click over here. I can save it as a favorite also, fine, and I can click it over here. Wasn't it simple? In a click of a mouse, my trading system was populated. Let's say I do it on Bank Nifty. Give me a yes or a no, friends. I do it on Bank Nifty, okay? So now simple, I go to my layouts, I select 3 time frames for day trading. Now you see that same system within a second, I got my 2 minutes, 5 minutes and a 15 minutes time frame in my Stocko InCred Money Trading View terminal. Hardly took a second, click of a mouse. I think it was a fraction of a second, fine. So now start trading. What's holding you back? Fine. Now, as I said, every system has an entry. So when I get a buy signal, this is my entry for long. I'll write it down. Please, are you taking notes, friends? Yes or no? Make sure next time, yeah, I'm getting Tanu says yes. Make time whenever next time you attend these sessions, keep a trading diary with you. Fine. Keep a trading diary with you. Start taking notes, right? Because we are going to meet now regularly. All your doubts from previous sessions, I'll answer it clearly. This is we go long, which is a buy signal. And before the buy came, whatever is the low, this is the low, fine. Every system has an entry. Every system has a stop loss. So this is my stop loss for risk management. Everybody clear? The low before the buy signal is your stop loss, and the high after the sell signal is your stop loss for short. And where you are going to keep your target either you can fix it at a prior resistance or when it gives a sell, either of the two, fine. Now target, I'll write it down. Either you आप target एक resistance पे लगा सकते हो. Let me write it down for you. Yeah, I'm stretching a time, but it's important for me. So either you can put it at a resistance on the same time frame, or when your system gives you a sell, exit. Okay, got it, everybody? Will you able to trade on your own now? Such a simple system. क्या कल से आप सभी ट्रेड कर सकोगे अपने से ये on this? And will you able to now create layouts? Will you able to now create save templates? So I want commitment from you all saying we are not going to shut down right now. We'll spend another 15 minutes or half an hour, create the same system, save it as a template. Okay. How many of you are going to commit to me that you'll not shut down your computer and you'll spend another 15 minutes, save the system, and then only shut down your computer? Rajan is saying me, yeah. Rajesh, okay, I'm getting thumbs up. Ramesh, yes. Fine. So at our end, at Stocko InCred Money, we can put in all the efforts. Fine. We can create the best technology. We can create the best platforms. But till you don't put the effort, the buy or the sell button, aap daba rahe ho na. So get into the habit of putting in an effort after every session. Fine. So this is, and now the same thing, we had saved it as a favorite. Can you see? Everything I save it as a favorite. I don't have go to search it. Can you see at the top? It's coming over here. Give me a yes. Yeah, I want yes from you all, friends. Yeah, Tanu says, Satardu says yes. Vittal, Anand, Bomin, all say. Fantastic. You're all getting it. Fine. So now I'll not use jargons. I'll not use big words. Fine. मुझे भी नहीं आता. I am a small guy like you, a trader like you who has grown up in the markets, learned in the markets. So my language will be very simple. I never ever use any technical jargons. Now I complicated things. Okay. And let's follow the principle of KISS. Let's keep it simple, silly. Okay. So now with that, we have created our system. We have saved this as a layout. Fine. And we have also saved it as a template. Fine. So the two things which you are going to do is multiple time frame we have done, and we have seen a practical hands-on demo on the Stocko InCred Money TradingView terminal. Okay. So symbol, if you keep the button on, that means only the symbol will change. And remember, this is how you'll have to use it. Okay. That is how we set up a trading system today. This is the inputs we put in and we saved it as a template. Okay. And these are the inputs, and we knew how to apply it to all. And this is how my system look like end of the day, the buy signal and the sell signals. Okay. So with that, friends, we come into our session today. Hope you liked and enjoyed. If it was good, you can type G. If it was bad, you can type B. If it was ugly, you can type U. I leave it to you. I would love if you type it, friends. Yeah. Afia, okay, thanks. Shivan says, that's fantastic. Fine. And make sure the participant is there. Today, wonderful to see, not a single participant dropped out. So that means whatever I was talking was making sense and nothing was nonsense. Otherwise, the participation would have dropped by now. Fine. So it was a great session today. Your participation was good. Now I'm open to Q&A. Deepak ji, if anybody wants the talking rights for the questions, you can give it to them, sir. Yeah, I'll take all the questions. If anybody has any question, they can ask for the talking rights or the microphone rights. If you want, you can also type the question in the chat window. The chat window is in front of me. I'll take each and every questions. Okay. Yeah. So far I have not received any questions. So now, Deepak ji, my friend out there, fine. I leave it to you, Deepak ji, how to
Yes, sir.
take. I'm not getting any questions, or we can. Yeah, Deepak. Hello. Yes, you're loud and clear, sir. Some echo is there. I take.
Yes, sir. We have a question. Just let me check from Mr. Amit Khemka.
Okay. What is the question from Amit ji? Because I'm not able to see in the question window. Yeah. If you can read out the question, Deepak ji, I'll be able to answer the same. Or
Hitesh, sir, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, sir.
now is my voice clear? Yeah, the mic and all at my end is on. Yeah, Deepak ji, at my end, all the tech check is showing on. I have not done any setting to this thing.
Yes, yeah. Now it is coming.
Okay.
So we have a question from Mr. Ramarao Dumpa, and he's asking how to place orders. मतलब, can you
Okay.
please?
Definitely. See, as I said, the Stocko InCred Money is a very powerful platform. It gives us two options. Either we can place a buy order or a sell order. Let's say I am removing everything. Okay. मैं सब studies हटा दे रहा हूँ. If I got a buy signal over here, I click on this. See, Nifty does not trade. Let's say I have to bring in a Nifty Bank futures. मैं Nifty Bank futures लेके आ गया. Fine. Yeah, it's January futures, right? So to place an order, it's so simple. Whichever chart you want to trade, I go over here, I click on buy. If you are doing intraday, you have to select MIs, right? If it's a limit order, you select limit. If it's a market order, you select market. If you select market order, it will buy at the market. If you select limit order, you can place your price. Is it clear? And you can, market is closed, you can just put on a buy. Was it okay, friends? Now, Deepakji, will you allow me
Okay.
to 5 minutes time to give the option? See, I as a trader would always prefer trading from price charts. How many of you want to know this feature? Which means you don't have to click anywhere. Give me a yes if you want to know. Fine. Now, this is Nifty futures. Fine. This is Bank Nifty futures. Let's say I got a buy signal here. I clicked on, let's say, a buy. Fine. And it would appear over here. So I've prepared a, since market is closed, so I've just did trades today and brought it for you. So I'll just go through it as the session plays. So I selected Punjab and Sindh Bank. Can you see I went on the buy? I selected MIS, which is intraday, and it was a limit order. So can you now see my order got executed at 27.65. Now the beauty of this tool is trading from the price chart is I can see that order of mine lying on the price charts. Fine. I would always suggest trade from the price chart. Now I would put a target which is a sell because I have, don't make this mistake, because I have bought this trade in the MIS, I have to place my target also in the MIS category and not CNC. Fine. So now I place my target on MIS. So you can see now I am putting a sell order. Can you see now? You can clearly see on your price chart. आप अपने ग्राफ पे देख सकते हो, price charts पे देख सकते हो कि जो आपने buy किया था वो कहाँ पे बेचने डाला है. Got it? Give me a yes, everybody. This is what we call trading to price chart. Now अभी मैं stop loss लगा रहा हूँ. I'm putting a stop loss. So when I'm putting a stop loss, fine. Make sure I select the SL, which is stop loss. आप जब एग्जिट डाल रहे हो कि टारगेट डाल रहे हो, टारगेट विल बी अ लिमिट सेल ऑर्डर. ओके, आई रिपीट, टारगेट विल बी अ लिमिट सेल ऑर्डर and stop loss will be the SL order. Everybody got it? Kindly confirm it to me. Don't make this mistake in your trading. I want confirmation from all. Okay, so now my stop loss is a SL order which I place it. Now I click on sell. Now, can you see all the three orders, which is my buy, my target, and my stop loss, all are visible to me in front of my screen? Yes or no, friends? How many of you think this is a very, very powerful feature for traders? Please raise your hand or give me a thumbs up. As a trader, you don't click here and there and all over the place. Just make sure the trade is there in front of you. Fine. So this is what we call my entry, my stop loss, and my target all at one place. Okay. Now, can I modify this order I have placed on my charts? Absolutely. So all you have to do is just click on the cursor and it will modify for you. Let's say my sell limit, I want to now raise it. So you have to just drag it on the charts, modify. And what I have done is I have set my targets as a higher. How much time it took? Hardly fraction of a second. I can raise my stop loss. I can trail my stop loss. Just drag it with your mouse and आप उसको modify कर सकते हो. So what I have done right now is on your my price charts and this powerful feature of Stocko InCred trading money view terminal which gives me is I can put my orders on the price charts. I can modify my target orders and my stop loss orders also on the terminal. How did you like this feature, friends? Let's see how many of you like this. Still we have a good participants. Sataradu Sois, yes. So you can, so now Deepak ji, can you confirm it to me? The participant's question is answered or not about orders, which is pricing on the price charts? Because this
Yes,
was one of the
actually,
topic of today's webinar also. and you can check it in your order position, which I'm doing it right now.
Yeah, Rashid ji is asking, please share the webinar recording. So guys, you will be shared webinar recording very soon. Another question is from Mr. Prabhakaran. How to
Ji,
choose different option chain via charts?
how to choose different option chains via chart. Fine. So, Deepak ji, if I request, let's keep today's question to today's topic.
Okay.
We
Yes,
definitely
sir.
will have a session on option chains and option strategies. And if you don't know, we have a very, very powerful tool called Insta Options. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So we'll keep a separate session for that. Make sure the participants who has asked the question attends when we do a session on Insta Options. Thanks,
Yes, sir.
Deepak.
So, sir, I think we can conclude here.
Okay.